This is Tony Carr, and he has been a CPA for 29 years, but he no longer provides accounting services. He's an investment advisor. His company is Carr Wealth Management, a registered investment advisory firm located in Pleasanton, California. He's managed investments for individuals and businesses for over 16 years. He is also a certified financial planner professional. Now, Tony, I've heard that you have a special ability, in fact, a number of special abilities, and I've written down several two-digit numbers, and I'm going to read them as fast as I can. I want you to add them in your head. Are you ready?
Sure.
All right. 86, 75, 58, 69, 36, 44, 97.
465.
Yes, indeed. 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.
441.
Yes, indeed. Wow, that's impressive. Okay, so I want to throw a little wrench in your gears. I'm going to try three digits.
Okay.
All right, here we go. 123, 354, 289, 151, 253, 258, 369.
1797.
Correct. Wow. So why did you eventually choose investing over accounting?
Well, I have over 30 years experience working with accounting, and I'm certainly more experienced and comfortable with working with accounting numbers. But I feel where my strengths are and where I feel I add more value to clients is my commitment to keeping them focused on sound investment principles and keeping them away from making costly investment decisions. Because I'm a CPA and I think like one, it was natural that I would gravitate toward an investment philosophy that was backed by academic research and straightforward common sense. But I still like to work with accounting numbers occasionally.
All right, so now I'm going to give you a two-digit number, and you're going to count in multiples of that number 10 times.
That's right. If you give me the number 25, I'll say 25, 50, 75, 100, and so forth, until I get up to 250, which is 25 times 10.
Okay, awesome. All right, 32.
32, 64, 96, 128, 160, 192, 224, 256, 288, 320, which is 32 times 10.
That is correct. Wow. Want to do another one?
Sure.
43.
43, 86, 129, 172, 215, 258, 301, 344, 387, 430, which is 43 times 10.
Wow, yeah. Can you do a three-digit?
Let's try.
Okay. 258.
258, 516, 774, 1032, 1290, 1548, 1806, 2064, 2322, and 2580, which is 258 times 10.
That is correct. So now I have just some basic multiplication, two sets of two.
That's fine.
All right, here we go. 92 times 21.
1932.
Correct. 68 times 43.
27, 24, 29, 24.
That is correct. Wow. Obviously, your math abilities would be a valuable asset in accounting, but how does that translate to investment planning?
Calculating numbers quickly in my head doesn't mean that I can predict the future any better than you or anybody else can. Managing investments is all about identifying the levels of risk and expected returns, and then choosing the most efficient path to reach those objectives. My role is to help clients along that path with extensive knowledge in various financial areas, such as investments, tax planning, retirement planning, Social Security planning, estate planning, and asset protection. My commitment to a fee-only, non-commission cost structure, it doesn't have anything to do with how fast I can add or multiply. But I do feel that the math skills can definitely add value to my clients.
All right. Now I'm going to give you some dates. I'm going to give you the month, the day, and the year, and I want you to tell me what day of the week it is.
Okay.
Alrighty. May 6th, 1937.
You got to Thursday.
Correct. March 22nd, 1930.
That's a Saturday.
Correct. February 2nd, 1969.
Sunday.
Correct. May 11th, 1942.
That was a Monday.
Correct. Wow. August 6th, 2015.
That was a Thursday.
Correct. January 8th, 1904.
That was a Thursday.
Correct. That was tricky because that was the leap year.
Leap year, yes it was.
I thought I'd get you, but I didn't get you. Awesome. Now I'm going to switch centuries on you. July 26th, 1875.
That was a Monday.
Correct. Now, I realize that the skill you have doesn't help you predict the future. You could convince people that it could help you predict the future with the dates and everything else. So my question for you is, why do you believe that you have this skill? What's your purpose?
I'm trying to change the way people think about investing. There's a message I want to convey, and there's a philosophy I like to teach. It's not supposed to be that complicated. Just following some basic investment principles is really all most people need to do. And yeah, if I were motivated to sound like or appear that I could tell the near future, well, I probably could rattle off some numbers and cite some graphs and trends, and I probably could do that very convincingly, but I don't feel that's why I'm supposed to be in this business. Instead, I've looked at academic evidence, and I feel like I'm more aware now of the fertility and the low percentage of actually trying to outsmart the market. But yet I see so many people undertaking inefficient and counterproductive strategies. I mean, this is not like counting cards in Vegas. This is managing other people's money, and they should keep as much as possible instead of paying excessive fees to those who have vested interest in promoting more active strategies or selling more inefficient products. So helping convey a message, that's what I feel I'm supposed to do with this.